So anyway, we'll head downstairs. There's a window looking out on the side here, and we can go down over here to the main floor. There's your car out there, neighborhood, all old houses, and apparently that light is wired with this light, which is a bit odd. This is it as far as lighting goes in this room. That light, and that's it. Sparse, not fully moved in, cat destroyed speaker, grill over there, and an odd closet because they would never make a door like this. You see? They would never make a door like this, ever. And there's also a light here, and I don't know if it has a switch. Yeah. Whoop. Really old fixture. Look at that. And almost like a ceiling fan bulb there. The old Emerson speakers, which were part of a like all-in-one radio cassette turntable thing that's long gone, that next door to my parents threw out many years ago. And those were the speakers from it, and they apparently still work. She has a Heineken sign just like I do at my bar. Interesting story, this was mine. I gave it to her for whatever reason, and the one I have I found at a thrift store because I wanted it back and she wouldn't give it to me. She used to have fish but hasn't set that up yet. Yes, she does have a R.O.B. It's probably incomplete and it definitely doesn't work. It used to, I know, but that's that. Some sort of floor lamp and a fireplace, which is a real wood burning fireplace. Apparently this cabinet and this cabinet were custom built. I'll see if I can get my light. I know it's LED, I'm sorry, but it was handy and I grabbed it on my way out the door. So this was like custom built, and this was custom built, and a better shot of the fireplace and some signs, and I don't know where they came from, and that's that. Old rotary dimmer, metal heatsink, the clock, the same thermostat as upstairs, dining room, a couple of bulbs out, whatever, pretty plain, rainbow bright. She's had that forever. I don't know where she got that. And this thing in the corner is some sort of display case that lights up, and that's about all I know about that. And over in here is the sunroom. This is this apparently was an add-on to the house. Just junk and bookshelves and books and stuff. Old 286 computer. It's probably not even plugged in. Nothing on that. Nothing on that. IBM Pro printer, 9-pin. To prove it's an add-on, original brick to the house, painted over. They use an exterior wall, is now an interior wall, which was common in the day. I think these are like crank out windows. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There's my car out there, and they're nice sized windows in that. And that is pretty much the deal. That goes out to a deck here. The door has a thing on it, so you can't open it while they're gone. I guess they knock all their chairs over so they don't get tree junk on them or whatever. A couple of rhododendron bushes. There's a detached garage, which I will not be showing probably at all. That's really it. Big tree. They have an electric barbecue because at their apartment they couldn't have a gas barbecue, and they haven't bought a new one yet. The beer fridge. The beer fridge. My sister has had this fridge. I think she picked it up when she was in college a long time ago. She had it in her bedroom back at my parents' house. My dad used to get so pissed because it would use all sorts of electricity and whatever. I gave her that Corona thing. I don't know if it's plugged in or whatever, but it lights up and does fancy shit, and I should probably take it back, but I can't because it was a gift and whatever. So that's that, and we'll head over to the kitchen. And there is a light with a ceiling fan. And is there a switch? Yes. There we are. Incandescent. All around, yes. The fan itself. I don't know what kind this is. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, Jordan. We can't do it with the light on. Good. Now you can't see the fucking thing too well. Excellent. That made a lot of damn sense now, didn't it? So, anyway, there's the fan. Medium, low, off. It's a fan. Great. Get over it. Okay. Here is the kitchen. Oh, crap. This can opener. I fixed this for her years ago. Nice. Oh, that thing is sounding rough. Kitchen was redone at some point or another. There are lights here. I don't know where the switch is for that. Sink, new, new stuff. It's nothing special here. There is a dishwasher. Look, it has a knob. It's a KitchenAid. It's a KitchenAid. Probably dirty dishes, yeah. Decent enough shape. I'm not going to run that. Sort of an old school looking thing that you would have under the sink, like the perforated door kind of thing. And the fridge. The fridge, folks, is vintage-ish. It's tiny because that's what fits in here, and that's how the kitchen was built, and it's crooked because that's how that fits for whatever reason. And this is a Kenmore. Sort of like your grandma's fridge, if you will. I'll open that, and there is info in here. 1994, still working fine. So that's that. Look, a real switch for the light. How about that? And it's incandescent, of course. The LG microwave. My sister said, "Oh, I need a microwave." And I said, "I have a microwave that you can have." And here is the LG microwave. I hate this thing. It works, but I hate it. And I had put the service sticker on the side because you'll need it because it's LG. Gas stove. You can see it has a red LED display, but it's a bit knackered. It says 647. Let's see here. Here's the front. So you got to turn it all the way to light, and then it lights up. Nice knobs, though. They like click off. That's cool. A little storage thing on the side and on the bottom, as you would expect. A little toaster oven. Braun Microtech System 3. This has got to be kind of newish. Light. Wow, that's really wow. Blower has a dial and knob. And that is it for the kitchen, and is also it for the first floor. Look at the old kitchen door with the old doorknob, a deadbolt here, the window up here like that.